How to enlarge your pennies with your hands in 2 weeks. If you are thinking about the possibilities of having a large penis, then the answer is yes. It is possible and also within a very short time. But for this you have to follow some exercises and do them in the proper way. But first you need to stop doing crazy penis exercises. Men think that penis exercise is like muscle exercise. Wait a second. The penis isn't a muscle. Try to flex it so it goes from ultra soft to ultra hard in a split second. Did you manage it? Didn't think so. Exercises aren't the answer to getting a bigger penis because the penis isn't a muscle that you can mound. Many times, men actually do damage to their penis by forcing blood inside. Their penises end up bent or even broken, in the worst cases. There's a smart way to increase your penis size. We'll cover that in a minute. Penis warm-up. Allow your penis to warm up. This is very simple. Since you are doing these routines while taking a nice hot shower, warming your penis up is already done. With the hot shower, just let the water hit your manhood for about 2 minutes. Even though warming up is very quick and easy, do not, I repeat, do not underestimate the importance of warming your penis up prior to doing natural male enhancement. The ultimate stretch. Retract your foreskin and grasp your phallus behind its head, glands firmly. You should feel no pain or significant discomfort. Pull it outwards with enough force to feel painless stretch inside your shaft. Hold that position for 20 to 30 seconds. If needed, rest for 5 seconds. Repeat steps 2 to 4 but this time pull it upwards to your belly button. Repeat but this time pull it downwards to your knees. Repeat but this time pull it to your right side. Repeat but this time pull it to your left side. Take your time to go through a cool down phase. Do this step for 5-10 minutes every day. I highly recommend you to promote your growth and results with proper supplements. Kegel exercises. It's common knowledge that Kegel exercises are beneficial to women's health in a variety of ways. However, very few men know that you can significantly improve the blood flow and quality of your erections. Your dick will look larger just by maintaining more control over the erection itself. All you need to do is the following. Identify your pubicoccygis, PC, muscle by trying a method of stopping your urine flow naturally. Once located, you will need to contract the PC muscle. Hold this contraction for at least 5 seconds. Release and take a break for 2 seconds. Repeat steps 2-4 until you finish the desired number of repetitions. Your daily session should last for 20-30 minutes. Massaging or light masturbation. This involves just massaging or lightly masturbating in order to achieve temporary natural-looking size. Obviously, this one is going to take a trial period to find out what works best. Too much massaging can lead to an erection and that's not the kind of natural-looking size we are after. Give it a week or so to find out just how much or how little massaging is required to achieve a naturally looking larger penis. There is a link in the description box that might be helpful for you. If you like the video then don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video. For more videos and updates please subscribe to our channel.